Hi friends, this video shows what is edge lights and how to use it. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, go down, go to display, tap on display. Under display we can find edge lights. Tap here. First understand what is edge lights. See, lights will appear on the edges of your display when you are receiving a call, notification or alert. So that is the edge lights feature. Here you can see the demo. So lights will appear like this when you receive a call, notification or alert. If you want this feature, you can just tap here and enable it. Done. Now I have enabled edge lights. If you don't want this, you can again come here and tap here and disable it. So this way we can enable or disable edge lights and we can use it like this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.